one of the things we've done here at Azimuth in order to make these systems even more useful and more portable is to match with the solar charging cables is we've had proprietary portable lightweight solar panels made. These are 210 watt lightweight panels. They're about a quarter of the weight of your typical glass and aluminum panels. And you can use this as one 210 watt panel or a pair of 420 watt panels in total. So with these, they're thin, they're lightweight, they're flexible, so they're much more durable and much more easier to transport than your typical glass panels. And with this, they come with grommets, so you can attach them at the corners and sides to any stationary object to have these panels safely placed to get the best sun exposure. And with these, you can charge this system. For the 2000 watt system, you're looking at 9 hours. With a pair of panels, it's 4.5 hours. For the ASP3000 system, you're looking at 15 hours for one panel or 7.5 hours for a pair of panels to charge this, which makes it very easy to recharge it within a day, especially in the summertime where you're getting extended hours of sunlight.